Roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne, and today I am going to do a new protective style, and this protective style is brought to you by TOYOTRESS. So shout out to TOYOTRESS for reaching out to me and asked me if I want to work with them. Of course, my answer was yes. If you've taken a look at some of the styles I've done on this channel, I've used TOYOTRESS Hair twice and I love it. I'm already part of their Facebook group and I invite you to do so also, so make sure you check the description box. So of course I was gonna work with them. Okay, so this time I decided to try their Toceana curly locks. I got them in 18 inches. The color I got is T30 and I have about 6 bundles in the pack. Y'all, it's about to be summertime. I want my hair done in a way that I don't have to think about it. It's protected and it's cute. Oh, these are cute. Y'all. Now, you know, when these first came out, I wanted to get these. You know, I saw TOYOTRESS. I saw that they're one of the brands that are offered on Amazon. But of course, they have their own entire website, and you check the description box, because if you go directly to their website and use my discount code, yeah, you can get a little bit off. I've tried their butterfly locks, which is the very first item I tried from TOYOTRESS, and I tried their Tiana passion twist. I still have both. You install them, you uninstall them, pack them away till you want to use them again, and their quality is top notch. So of course I was going to try them again. It took me the longest to decide which ones I wanted, but I ended up getting the curly locks. You know, I wanted those curly ends. Look at them. So pretty. These are soft but not silky, because what locks are silky? That don't even seem right, does it? I actually used to have real locks in my hair. And both my boys, well, one is a man, but they both have locks. So I'm a fan of locks altogether. This color is really pretty. I like the ends. That is really pretty here. And let's see how many strands. There's about 20, 21. That's normal. And let's go ahead and take this apart so you can see how big the loop is. The other thing I enjoy about any crochet hair from TOYOTRESS is they always give plenty of room in the loop area. You see how big this is? You can unwind it if you need to and then tighten it right on back up. So plenty of room, plenty of stretch there. And how they thin out towards the bottom with color. So these are beautiful. Let's see. So I'm 5'1", and these, without them even being stretched out, go to the bottom of my chest area. So hair's ready to go. I decided to do triangular parts in the front, square in the back, and then I connected them all in the middle because I want to be able to wear this hair in a bun and up to the sides, but also look like they're individuals at the same time, which is why I did this braid pattern. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads or posts. Give this video a thumbs up if you like protective styles in general, you like hair, you like creativity, you know, things like that. And make sure you leave me a comment on your way out, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and get into this. And that's it. Just that simple. And see, you can make the loop get bigger if you want. Pass your hair through the loop and close it right on back up as if nothing happened. See what I mean? It's just that easy. So I'm going to go ahead and continue to fill these into the boxes that I already have. Then where I want extra locks at is where I will go ahead and place them in between. So don't get scared now. We're not just going to leave it like this. This is only the beginning of the process. Okay, this is what we have so far. That's one bundle down. The reason why I have triangles so big is because I want to be as kind to my edges as possible. I'm loving it so far. And these locks feel so soft. They're not scratchy. They're not irritating. There's no smell. There ain't none of that. Looks cute already, huh? And it ain't even done yet. Imagine what it's going to look like when it's done. Go ahead and subscribe now. I'm trying to tell you. And make sure you don't forget to look in the description box. There's lots of little goodies in there. You know, discount codes, a link for these locks, a link for Toyotress's Facebook group where you can actually earn free hair and actually get free hair. First to know when new hair comes out. So right now I'm on my third pack. I've already filled in some in the back, as you can see. The very bottom. So I have the middle to do and filling in spots in between the locks I already have. Y'all, these are so beautiful. They are so lightweight. For the length of these, you would think this would be weighing my head down or I might have a headache. Nothing. Y'all, I'm so happy. The main reason why I'm happy is this is not heavy and I don't got no headache, okay? You know when you want to look cute, but back in the days, those styles that look the cutest were the ones that cause either the most pain, burns, or headaches. Don't gotta worry about that no more. So y'all, for real, check my description box. Click on those links if you choose to click on them. You know, let Toyotress know you appreciate this video I did. You like how these looks. You're interested in them. Yes, click on it. Or check them out on Amazon. Go ahead and click the link for their Facebook group. Come on now, I'm in there. A lot of people are in there. I mean, a lot of people. And you have the option to choose free hair for being a new member. And the giveaways, oh, there's lots of giveaways. Go ahead, you check it out. Go ahead and invite your family members, friends, co-workers, everybody. I mean, everybody wants some cute hair, right? And we're heading into the warmer months where we ain't gonna want to do nothing with our hair. The fact that these are so lightweight, y'all, I see no problem with wearing this in the summer. None whatsoever, because you know, all I gotta do is take a few strands of these locks from the back and use it to make myself a ponytail. Just make your own pony. You at some pool party or at the park with your kids and you don't have a scrunchie, you don't have a rubber band, don't worry about it. Just get a few of them locks from the back, tie it, and there you go. Done deal, and you back to doing whatever you were doing. I am high bun ready. I am to the side ready. If I want to flip it to this side I can do it. If I want to flip it to the back, if I want to add a headband, if I want to have some curls right here and the rest of it up, there's an endless amount of styles I could do with this hair. So again, thank you so much to TOYOTRESS for reaching out to me to try this hair and let y'all see what I can do. And wow, I'm gonna do a few more looks. I have so many things I want to do, y'all. So many things that I want to do and so many things that I'm going to do. So other than that, roses, if you haven't already, subscribe. Go ahead and make sure you do so you can go ahead and join my rose garden here and become one of my roses. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos or posts or just anything. You just never know. You just never know what I'm going to do, and you never know what I'm going to have for you in my description box. Go ahead and give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed what you saw here, or if you just like my personality. Go ahead and do that. And leave me a comment. Just let me know you're here. Let me know you stopped by. Other than that, roses, I will talk to you later.